So here it finally is, KITT's new engine. So we have a 383 Stroker Chev, all forged internals, so we're hoping for around 500 horsepower. Don't worry about the standard manifolds and the air cleaner at the moment, they're just on there to keep the crap out really. Being right hand drive, I will have to get custom made headers because my steering rack is obviously on the other side for every bolt-on kit, so yeah, should be alright. But yeah, this engine bay tidy up has gone a little bit further than I thought it would. We've gone through and put in Nolathon bushes absolutely everywhere, new ball joints. I figured while it was apart, let's just do the lot. So it was in desperate need of it. Some of the rubbers were shot. They're probably still factory from 1982. But I'm very happy with how it looks in there. It's much tidier than it was. So also with that, I've gone and bought a brand new aluminium radiator. It also is a lot thicker than factory. Twin thermofans as well. So being in Australia, they do tend to run a little bit hot. So hopefully this will fix that. These thermofans have had a good ride up, so hopefully they will keep it cool. Here's all the bushes I spoke about. Some of the packages are empty because they're already on the car. I haven't been filming absolutely everything. The weather's been pretty crappy here in Australia actually. Our hot summer has just been a rainy summer, so it's been a bit hard to work on the car with rain coming flying in the shed. But we're getting there. So hopefully KITT shouldn't be too much longer. I'd like it done very, very early 2021. So yeah, I'm just looking really forward to actually firing up this engine. These are just brand new bottles for the overflow and the washer. My original ones are very yellowed. They go really crappy over time. So I figured gone this far, might as well get some new bottles as well. Set it off a bit against the new black paint. And this is a high torque starter motor. I actually fit one to Herbie as well, and that works amazing. So I figured if I put it on my little Beetle, I'm pretty sure I should put it on KITT. So looking forward to that as well. And here is KITT's dash electronics. So these are season 3-4 from Jupiter Electronics in Canada. So this is the countdown timer, goes on top of the dash, which lights up in sequence when the key is turned, which also ties into the voice box and runs down. It's pretty cool. So he has changed the overlays since I purchased these last. They actually have the nice red overlay over KITT's voice there and over the RPMs here as well. And on the miles per hour, which is good, so it's a lot more screen accurate, which is nice to see. So yeah, the overlays have a nice texture to them as well. I will be running some Perspex overlays as well on top of this, just to keep the dust out. I did that on the last dash as well, but I just feel it will keep the crap out of it. But yeah, I'm very happy with those red overlays. That makes all the difference. It looks so cool. So yeah, this is very good. So this is the compass. So this is the one thing that will be different, being a right-hand drive. So Christian's made me the larger one. That top one is his normal left-hand drive one. So because I'm working with him with my dash, once we fit this to mine, I'll cut that to size, give him the sizes, and then anyone wants one of my dashes, you can ring Christian and ask for the right-hand drive one, and should be good to go. So these are for the switch pods, famous turbo boost. So again, he's updated these. These were just stickers when I bought these last time, so now they're laser etched into the plastic. So yeah, mine has had stickers on that previously. So the boards are amazing product. These are so good. I'm very impressed. That's why I went back to him. But yeah, so these are laser etched now with the black infill, so loving them. That'll be so cool. But just the quality of Christian's work is extraordinary. That's why I've gone back to him. So that's basically how it came 12 years ago. Now he supplied that bezel, which is, just makes it. So that's really good. This is for the accelerator pedal. So in my last kit, I just had the green lights. They just lit up on and off. But these ones will actually track up and down like in the TV show. So they all tie into the tacho, which is a little step further than the last kit was. So yeah, I'm finally going to get KITT how I want it. This is going to be, yeah, it's one I'm very, very proud of.